All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the show. So today we're going to show you how to properly spool a reel without line twist. Stick around. All right guys, so today we went out to Dick's Sporting Goods in our area, and actually my first time buying something curbside, because all you know, with this virus going on, all the stores are closed right now. So but anyway, just went ahead and did a curbside pickup.
What's the name on the order? Gerald. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
$300 yards of this Power Pro high vis yellow 10-pound braid. We're gonna go ahead and put this on my Shimano Sahara 2500. Yep, had this for about a good season now. I'm gonna do a review on this reel, but that'll be on a separate video. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and spool this spinning reel with a Power Pro braid 10-pound test. And I actually found a good way. You know, there's plenty of videos out there and how to spool your reel or spinning reel without getting line twist. But so far, this is the best way I found out to eliminate all that line twist. We went ahead and spooled a small amount of cheap mono filament in the reel. Get it started, just a small layer, so you eliminate the slip. Because if you go straight with the braid, you might not able to get that friction between the braid and the spool on the reel. So just go ahead and get yourself a cheap monofilament, spool it for a couple turns, and then tie the mono with the braid. And you guys can go ahead and pick whatever knot you like, but for me, I like to use the uni to uni knot. All right guys, before we continue, I actually want to take this moment to thank you all who have been following me and supporting the channel. Appreciate you guys' comments, likes, and just all the support. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and yeah, give me a follow on Instagram too, and we'll connect. Sometimes it's easier to connect through Instagram, so make sure you guys look me up, and looking forward to connecting with you folks. All right, so here we are. We went ahead and put the mono filament. Just grab a cheap mono filament so you don't waste your money, because all it's doing really is serving as a backing to the reel, the slippery surface of the spool. Just go ahead and put a couple layers on that, and went ahead and tied my mono filament to our new braid. And here you go. So like I said, you can use whatever knot you like, but for me, I like using uni to uni knot because they're pretty low profile, and they're pretty strong. Okay guys, you can just go ahead and just grab your new braid and just dunk the whole thing in the water. I mean, it might float, it might sink, but that way I think it's better that as you're reeling it in, spool itself will just turn freely. So that way you can further eliminate the line twist. So it'll just keep spinning, and it'll go into your spinning reel the correct way. All right, let's go on with it. So go ahead and we went ahead and dunk the new spool in there. Yep. And grab yourself a towel of some sort, because, as you know, braid and the human skin doesn't really you cut yourself. So if you just grab the braid. All right, guys. Make sure your line is tight. Grab yourself your towel there. All right, here we go. And that's it. And oh yeah, just make sure your spool is pretty tight. And that's it. You just reel it in. It's as simple as that, folks. Like I said, I'm sure there's other method out there that people prefer, but as for me, you know, I've done this a couple times, and I just found out that this way is the most convenient way, I guess, you know, without having to pay someone to do it, and or sticking the spool, the new spool on a pencil or whatnot. But and then also with the water coating your new braid, it's actually even helping your new spool even tighter, because you keep the moisture in there, and the pressure keeps the pressure in there. All right, folks, so just keep doing this, and just make sure you don't go too much. You don't go over that lip there, because that's when you're gonna start getting the bird's nest. All right, guys, some of y'all might be asking, why did I pick 10-pound test? As for me, I do a lot of kayak fishing inshore, just inside the marsh. So actually my favorite species to catch is redfish, as you see right there. Yeah, they're just fun fish. Very rare that you're gonna need something, a main line stronger than 10 or even stronger than any 15 pounds. So for me, 10 pounds works, just perfectly for me. Cast really smooth, and it's definitely strong enough, as long as you know how to play with your drag system. Definitely you don't want to set your drag system too tight and let the fish cut you off. So yeah, like I said, I do a lot of kayak fishing, so we'll be catching there some redfish, flounder, trout, and once in a while you get bluefish going there, which not really a big fan of, but it is what it is. Here you go. I think we're getting there. All right, folks, and we are done. Here you go. We got our brand new braid in there on our Shimano Sahara. All right, folks, I hope you guys see that. That's as far as I'll go, as far as spooling it. So that should be perfect there. Just leave a little bit before the edge of the lip, and that way you don't get bird's nest. All right, folks, go ahead and we'll tie our leader and our lure at the end, and we're ready to go fishing. All right, my people, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. Guys, follow me if you haven't yet, and I definitely appreciate y'all's support. All right, guys, so like always, I hope y'all staying safe out there, staying healthy, practice social distancing. It's very important. If you can, try to get out there safely, enjoy God's creation, and y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you on the next video. God bless.